Yo guys, how you doing? It's your girl Bells Bride. You know, so how you guys doing? How is the quarantining going? Hope you guys are taking the necessary precautions to stay away from this virus. It's not easy. We just keeping our hands crossed. It should come to an end. Okay. So guys, today I want to cook. Guess what? Guess jollof rice. And I will show you guys.
Hey guys, this is the meat. I still have to defrost it. This is tomatoes and this is the rice here. So while preparing all the spices for the jollof rice, I'll allow the meat in this water for it to defrost. Okay.
You guys, hope you all are following up. I've steamed the meat. I've prepared my spices already. Tomatoes, onion, and green pepper. And that's the seasoning. It's Maggi, white pepper, black pepper, and salt. Yeah. That will be my seasoning. The jollof rice will be as simple as possible. So guys, I'm gonna put this for it to steam. So I was just gonna use this garlic man first. Garlic and ginger paste, okay? Use this quantity here. I think that's enough. Because yeah, that's enough. So guys, I forgot I was drinking coke. Tomorrow I will start with my sport activities. My instructor is around, and so I got no choice. I'm not sure he will allow me to have the sweet drinks, cold drinks during sport. We are still waiting for 15 minutes to be done. I'll add some seasoning. I'll just put half of it, okay, for it to steam with the tomatoes, onion and green pepper. Yeah, I think this is enough. I just set the timer here. Yeah, it will steam for about 15 minutes. We'll put this one when we put the rice, okay? So guys, while waiting for the tomatoes to steam, after cleaning the areas, wash the dishes, I've washed the rice. Okay. At this level, I will put the other part of the seasoning. So I'll add more water to it. Let's see how far. Guys, guess what? I'm done. So guys, this is mine. One of my friends Edda said it was nice.
Yo, what's up guys? It was dope. I loved it. You will love it too. Bye.